Fermentation is a fascinating process that transforms and preserves our food. Microorganisms like yeast and bacteria break down sugars, creating alcohol, acids, and gases, essentially turning ingredients into delicious treats. Think about it. Yeast is what makes our bread rise and gives beer its kick, while bacteria craft tangy yogurt and crunchy pickles. When sugars ferment, they release carbon dioxide, making our bread fluffy and giving yogurt its signature tang. Plus, fermented foods are not just tasty, they're gut-friendly, packed with probiotics that boost digestion and enhance flavors. From Nigerian warankashi to Korean kimchi, fermentation is a culinary bridge connecting cultures around the globe.